This is the Schrade SCX-5 Tactical Hatchet. The SCX-5 is sized as a light-duty, full Tang hatchet, perfect for emergency, survival, rescue, and tactical applications. The black powder-coated, quarter-inch thick SK-5 high-carbon steel Tang provides exceptional strength, culminating in a 3.1-inch razor-sharp axe head. 6 steel bolts attach the glass-filled nylon fiber handle scales to the Tang. These are dimpled and contoured to help provide a solid grip. The handle's ergonomic shape and size allows you to grip the hatchet at different handle locations, depending on the cutting task. Grip the lower portion of the handle for power strokes. Go with a high grip when you need greater control. Move your grip above the handle for slicing, such as making wood curls for fire-starting material. Penetration power is afforded by the SCX-5's pointed spike, angled for maximum impact. The hatchet's versatility increases as the Tang extends through the handle to form an effective prying tool, complete with a nail pull notch. Holes in the Tang provide cording options, and the slot serves as a valve wrench in emergency situations. Carry the hatchet at your side in the protective nylon fiber belt sheath with quick access.
Looking good should be as easy as walking out the door. You'll always have style right in your wallet with GoComb. The GoComb easily fits in any credit card slot. So convenient, it'll be the last comb you'll ever own. 3 reasons why you'll love your GoComb. Its size. Incredibly thin and fits in any wallet or purse. You won't ever worry about leaving your comb at home. Its design. Made from durable stainless steel and finished with a super smooth coating. Your GoComb will never break and comes in styles to match your look. Its practicality. The GoComb works in all hair types, even burly beards. Some styles also double as a mirror or a bottle opener for ultimate functionality. Now you know why people love the GoComb. It's proven its worth with over 4.5 stars on Amazon. Join the thousands of happy customers to see why GoComb is a no-brainer for everyday style.
Meet KIWI P1, the world's most compact laser distance meter. Petite, precise, and undoubtedly powerful, KIWI P1 makes your measuring tasks quick and easy. KIWI P1 is the perfect all-in-one product to cure your measurement headaches. Ideal for interior design, quantity surveying, building, or simply purchasing furniture for the home. Forget the bulky, complicated laser distance meters with just too many buttons. P1 is compact and precise, with a stunning accuracy of plus or minus 2 millimeters. And its one-button function lets you easily switch between different modes. You can also use KIWI P1 as a remote control to take measurements in hard-to-reach spots and say goodbye to tangled tape measure. KIWI P1 fits everywhere: home, office, construction site. Small is the new powerful. It's the ultimate measuring tool designed to make lives easier for those who need to accurately and quickly measure items on a daily basis. KIWI P1. Let everyday life measure up to perfection.
What if real life was like bad Wi-Fi?
So the changes to slides 3 and 4 will have a really compelling reason.
Mom, your boss is here!
Well, this is a surprise.
Leanne? Well, see,
Come on.
Bad Wi-Fi interrupts life itself. Thankfully, there's Lyra, the whole home Wi-Fi system. Lyra uses 3 wirelessly connected hubs to deliver a super fast, reliable, and secure Wi-Fi signal to every corner of your home. Finish setup with a few quick taps using Lyra's mobile app. Thanks to Lyra's tri-band design, one of the bands is dedicated to connections between Lyra hubs. The dedicated band and smart antenna design of each Lyra allows you to enjoy full coverage on all your Wi-Fi devices, from the living room to the backyard. Your Wi-Fi device automatically connects to the strongest Lyra hub, so it works smoothly and seamlessly when moving from room to room. ASUS Lyra, corner-to-corner Wi-Fi.